In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ChatGPT settings. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to adjust your preferences with confidence. Start by opening your web browser. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and look for the official site. The correct result will clearly reference the official ChatGPT page from the company that makes it. Be cautious of ads or lookalike sites that use similar wording. Stick to the legitimate link so you're in the right place and your account stays secure. Once you see the correct result, click through to the official ChatGPT page. You should land on the main interface or a sign-in screen. If you don't, double-check the URL and try again. It's a small step, but it prevents confusion later on. Next, sign into your account. Use your usual login method, whether that's email and password or a trusted single sign-on. If you're prompted for verification, complete it so you can access the full interface. If you're new and haven't created an account yet, you may need to register first before you can proceed, but today we're focusing on finding the settings once you're signed in. After you're in, look for your profile area. Depending on the layout, you'll find your profile picture or your initials in one of two common places. On many desktop layouts, it appears in the bottom left corner. On others, especially mobile or compact views, it's in the top right corner. It will look like a small circle with your photo or initials, or it may show your name. Click that profile area to open a menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Sometimes it may be labeled slightly differently, like Settings and Beta, but it will be clearly marked. Clicking this opens the Settings panel, where you can review options such as account details, notifications, data controls, and general preferences. You don't need to change anything right now. The goal is simply to know how to get here so you can return anytime you want to adjust how ChatGPT behaves for you. If the profile menu isn't visible, make sure you're signed in, try expanding your browser window, or look for a three-dot or hamburger menu that reveals profile options in tighter layouts. That's it. You opened your browser and searched for ChatGPT, clicked the correct link, signed in, opened your profile menu, and selected Settings. With that, you're ready to manage your experience whenever you need. Thanks for watching, and happy exploring.